Ostriches thrive in dry, arid environments. They prefer open land with little vegetation to spot predators from afar. Ostriches are social birds, usually found in groups. In the wild, they form what is known as a herd, which provides safety in numbers.
Ostriches nest on the ground. These are the largest eggs of any living land animal.
Ostrich. Their primary activities include walking, running, and searching for food.
Ostriches have a specialized digestive system. They swallow small pebbles to aid in digestion by helping grind the food. Ostriches can go days without water, but when they find it, they drink in large quantities. Their efficient kidneys conserve water. Ostriches face threats from various predators, including lions, hyenas, and wild dogs. In captivity, ostriches are Larpryxvaring's delicacy, and their feathers are used in fashion and decor. Ostriches are raised for meat and feathers, but were once hunted for fashion. Their plumes were popular in the 19th and 20th century. While the common ostrich is not currently endangered, certain species of ostriches are at risk due to ostriches have held cultural significance in various societies. In ancient Egypt, their feathers were symbols of truth. As the largest bird, ostriches play a critical role in their ecosystems by controlling plant growth and serving as prey for larger predators.